Hey guys, I want to show you really quick how to change a low beam headlight for a 2010 Honda Civic. This one will be the EX, and it's really simple. You know, right here I'm changing the driver's side. Okay, the driver's side. So some guys actually don't really need to remove the battery, but my suggestion is for you to remove it, because this is where it hides. Okay, you're gonna have to remove this little reservoir, coolant reservoir, and basically you just pull it out. You pull it out. Okay, it's grabbing it. What's grabbing it is this little clamp right here. Okay, or this little bracket. And the reason I decided to remove the battery, it's because if you don't remove it, you can still bring this out, you can still pull it out, but you're gonna have a really hard time putting it back in. It's just the angle of it, it won't let you. You're gonna struggle a lot. I couldn't put it back in. Maybe you're gonna be able to maneuver it or find the way in, but me, I ended up removing the battery, and also because I needed to change this clamp, this battery clamp, and so once you pull this one out, this little reservoir, all you need to do is find it. This is gonna be the low beam, and this one right here, that one's gonna be the high beams. So once you get to this point, I'm pretty sure you're gonna know what to do. I already replaced it, but basically you just turn it what is it, clockwise, and you turn it this way, like towards you, and then pull it out. I'm not gonna pull it out because I already went through it, but well, heck, let me pull it out. Turn it this way, and then you just bring it out. Okay, bring it out. You want to clamp it from here. You want to clamp it, and then you put your new one on. Remember not to put your fingers on the glass part, and then replace it and reverse the procedure. Okay, reverse it, align it. Let me see. Sorry, so I align it, push it all the way in, and then just give it the little extra turn. And it ends up like that, just the way it was when you removed it, which is going to be on a vertical position. Okay, and that's it. I mean, I basically took it off and showed you how to remove it, and then how to go along removing the bulb, putting the new one back in, and putting it back into the housing. So yeah, once again, after you do that, then you're gonna slide this little reservoir. You're gonna align the clamp to this part of the reservoir, and just slide it back in. Okay, so like I told you, if you still have the battery mounted, you're gonna have a hard time aligning it. But just remove the battery. It doesn't take anything. Okay, check it out. I'm doing it with one hand. See, I already put it back into where it goes, and then just push it back in. Let me hold the phone right here. That's it. That's it. That's where it goes. Just push it back in. Align it and push it back all the way down. Okay.